Hi, estudiantes. This is your Spanish class. We're gonna talk about the Latin American food that there is and how their culture, how food and culture are a mix of together. So, hello, students. In Spanish class, we are going to talk about Latin American variety of food. Talking about these topics, we have to see it as not only a source of health but as well of culture. These different dishes have a very specific for of making, and as well the condiments they put in, the culture, some of them like as well as like the Aztecs, they used to, instead of blending things, they would like smash it into a rock, make it into a powder substance. So just to learn about that, just to learn the origin of these and how it was presented. These recipes that we will see in class, and as well you will research as a project, will expand our knowledge on these cultures. These are some of the pictures of, different, see, that's the rock that I was saying, that they would smash it into a fine powder, and that was the condiments that they would use, and different flavors, salsas, all a lot of things. Latin America. Latin America is known for the variety of flavor and color in their dishes. Also, Latin America, in different parts of Latin America, they use different spices and recipes that are part of their culture, which at the end of the day, they bring us all together because, we know tacos, but maybe tacos, in another part of Latin America is known as well, flour tortilla, but maybe they change it into a tortilla de harina, or a different a tortilla of flour, or they put chicken, or they put shrimp, or a different sauces. These are beans with cheese and crema on top. We're gonna watch the video, a part of the video. And into the cultural project that you guys are going to be doing is with the partner, you will choose a dish and you will talk about the recipe and its origin. Give out some of the basic things that we need to know as a class, and if you would like to bring a small sample of the dish for the whole class, that would be great. It's not going to be extra or it's not necessary, but if you want to really implement the flavors, because there's a lot of flavor, and just bring that little sample if you would like into the class, so we can learn about that culture, taste it. That would be pretty awesome. And remember, be creative with the project. Try to have an open mind and dive into a small venture of the cultures.